So this is my cheap E70 X5 that I picked up for 2,700 bucks. And I've been fixing everything that's wrong with it so that I can sell it. But I've been encountering way more issues than I first anticipated. That's why I call it big trouble. So in this video, I'm just continuing the work. Got some stuff for the X5. Let's see what it is. Don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what side they go on. But these should be engine covers for the X5. Let's see if we can fit them. They're meant to go under here. Yeah, so that. I really got to clean this out. Oh, I think it actually goes like this. I see a mount point there and there. So yeah, this goes something like that. So that means this one goes something like that, but this one is all broken. So those were the broken pieces that I had in the trunk, and this is literally just kind of sitting here. What is this? The cabin air filter? The cabin air filter is just hanging out. That's crazy. There's no better time than the present to go ahead and vacuum out some of this debris. So I'm gonna take this old broken one out. I didn't even realize until I got the new one that some of the broken one was still intact. There we go. Put this little piece of foam. I think I threw away some of these. I should have kept them. I didn't know where they went. I mean, it's not super crucial that I have them, but it would be kind of nice. All right, seems to fit well enough. Oh man, whatever that screw went into is no longer. All right. That one's still there. Then this one right here, I don't know if y'all can see this, but what the? Everything back here is just crumbling. Like, it is literally just coming apart. I don't know if you can see this, it's just, so that may be why they didn't reinstall anything. Well, it's stable enough. Let's see if I can get these to line up. So I'm gonna try to line this seal up with that triangle. Bam. And this is supposed to lock in, and that is supposed to lock in, but I don't see. Yeah, I think I can get the back one to lock, but the front one is broken. Not really. Not really. So I may be looking for a new one of these. I got it to sit properly, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Plug this back up. Yeah, there's a little notch here and an arrow here. They're in the lock position when the notch and the arrow line up, you know, the little triangle. And even though this is coming apart, those fasteners are still intact. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get it to lock in. As I handle this, this thing is coming apart. But I see where it should line up. There we go, got it locked in. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, it's way better than before. Just a matter of how this lines up. Now, I do not have fasteners for this side, but I see where they should go. Matter of fact, let me go check the fastener bag. And I have this piece, and I'm pretty sure it goes here, but the thing it attaches to isn't there anymore. So hopefully all the other pieces will keep it located. Yeah, there's a spot on this to receive a screw that will go through this and fasten on the other side of this. So I found a few fasteners. I'm going to use one of them on the corner here Yes, and it likes to go there. And I'm going to use this one right here. If it'll go, maybe it won't go. Maybe this one is meant for it. Yeah, that seems to be about right. I'm gonna use it for it nevertheless. Gonna put one right here, hoping it stays. So I got trim for all the other sticky doors, so this one is coming off. All right, and I have the passenger side rear door to do, but it's the same process, same game. Another thing I need to address is this clear bra that is starting to crack and just look really bad. So I started working on it and actually figured out a way to get it off, but it was not fun. So I've made a lot of progress with this protective cover, and I've gone back and forth between using this and just getting up under it with the little scrapers I have. This helps, but I'm still nervous about how it affects the paint. So I'll spray it on, let it sit for a little bit, and then go to work. And this is about how it goes, little by little. Sometimes you get a good run of it, but with the cracks, a lot of times you just get to the crack and then you have to re-dig. It's coming, but it is slow. And the only reason I did not use heat is because heat would also soften the paint, and I'm just nervous because I'm already traumatizing the paint, in my opinion, by doing this. So if you've removed this sort of stuff before with heat, chime in, because I'm just nervous. But it's coming, and I'm on the home stretch now. Even though the lower part is going to be the most uncomfortable to get, it's coming. Now I just have to do the same thing on this side. Oh, happy day. So I got all of the protective film off. Now it's about getting the adhesive off. So I'm going to see how well this works with just a shop rag. Wow, it seems like it's working great. You can see the lines from the cracks still there. So I may get into detailing more than I'd like. Or more into nuts and bolts, mechanical bits. But it's on a car, why not learn more about it? Yeah, the sun's creeping over, and I'm thinking I may employ some power tools to get the rest of that off. Because as tedious as the film was, I'm not looking forward to spending a lot of time doing all that. After completing a few projects on other cars, I decided to come back and see what I could do about the E70. All right, switching gears a little bit. I've been working on the WRX for a bit. And now I'm gonna see if I can get all this adhesive off the X5. Yep. So I hit the hood again with some goof off. And then I tried this polishing pad. It moved the adhesive around a bit, but it did not take it off as much as I would have liked. I don't know, maybe it helped. Or maybe I just need to scrape with the plastic scraper. Alright, so this comes off really easy, but I think this is too soft to get it. I tried another attachment, but it did basically the same thing. So I sprayed on more goof off. This may still be the quickest and easiest way to get these off. Then buffing may be a thing to do once the gross amounts of adhesive are removed. I mean, look at that, this comes right off. It comes off, it's just, again I say, not fun. So I will commence with the scraping. But that is enough scraping for now because I believe you get the picture. In upcoming videos, I deal with a hard start issue and some deteriorating bushings. If you would like to follow along, as always, hit subscribe. And if you would like to see the things I've already done to this and my other cars, check out my playlists. Thanks for watching. Take care.